Okay. Based on the Marxist ideologies, the Socialist Democratic Workers' Party was formed. ക്യാപിറ്റലിസം അഥവാ മുതലാളിത്ത വ്യവസ്ഥിതിക്ക് പകരം സോഷ്യലിസം അഥവാ തൊഴിലാളി വ്യവസ്ഥയ്ക്ക് ഊന്നൽ കൊടുക്കണമെന്നുള്ള ആശയമാണ് കാൾ മാർക്സും ഫ്രെഡറിക് എംഗൽസും മുന്നോട്ട് വച്ചത്. Later, this party split into two parties. They are Mensheviks and Bolsheviks. Mensheviks, or the minority, they were under the control of Alexander Kerensky, and Bolsheviks, the majority, were under Lenin and Trotsky. Then, the crisis reached its zenith or reached its worst in the year 1903 because there arose a war between Russia and Japan. But during this war, Russia was defeated by Japan. So again, the conditions of the workers and farmers became very pitiable. So in these situations, the workers, they started or they organized a massive march at Petrograd on 9th January 1905. They put forward two demands. They are political rights and economic reforms. The march fired by soldiers and hundreds of demonstrators were massacred. This incident is known as Bloody Sunday. Then what is known as Bloody Sunday? എന്തായിരുന്നു? റഷ്യ ജപ്പാൻ വാർ നടന്നു. യുദ്ധത്തിൽ ആര് തോൽപ്പിക്കപ്പെട്ടു? റഷ്യ തോൽപ്പിക്കപ്പെട്ടു. അപ്പം ജനങ്ങളുടെ അവസ്ഥ വീണ്ടും ദയനീയമായി. അവർ പെട്രോഗ്രാഡിലേക്ക് എന്ത് ചെയ്തു? ഒരു മാർച്ച് കണ്ടക്ട് ചെയ്തു. എന്നായിരുന്നു? 1905. അപ്പം ദേ പുട്ട് ഫോർവേഡ് ടു ഡിമാൻഡ്സ്. What were the demands? Political rights and economic reforms. But the march was fired by the soldiers and hundreds of demonstrators were massacred or killed. So this incident is known as Bloody Sunday. Very important ആണ്. പരീക്ഷയ്ക്ക് ചോദിക്കുന്ന ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ആണ്. Okay. So following this, the workers' organization, the Soviets. What is the name of the workers' organization? The Soviets. They started strikes. It became very strength. When the strikes gained massive strength, the emperor was compelled to form a legislative assembly. What is the name of this legislative assembly? Duma. Then, there is one question you cannot. What was the historical background that led to the outbreak of February Revolution? Another important question ആണ്. നോട്ട് ചെയ്യുക. ഓക്കെ. ഫെബ്രുവരി റവല്യൂഷനിലേക്ക് നയിച്ച സാഹചര്യങ്ങൾ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ കാരണങ്ങൾ എന്തായിരുന്നു? Then, workers' organization, the Soviet, were formed all over Russia to conduct strikes. When the strikes gained massive strength, the emperor was compelled to form a legislative assembly called Duma. Ignoring the protest from the laborers and the workers or from the workers organization Duma legislative assembly, Duma. Nicholas II, the then ruler, decided to participate in the First World War. That is in 1940. But during this war, a lot of Russian soldiers were killed. Food shortage became severe in 1970. So in this situation, thousands of women marched along the streets of Petrograd on 8th March 1917, demanding the bread. The workers organized protest march in Petrograd. What was their demand? Bread. Give them bread. Then, following this, the soldiers clashed with the workers, joined in this march or strike. It was the tragic experience during the First World War induced them to do so. So, the workers captured Petrograd and Nicholas II was thrown out of power. Instead of Nicholas II, a provisional government was formed under the leadership of Alexander Kerensky, the leader of the Menshevik Party. Who became the leader or ruler? Alexander Kerensky. Since the Russian calendar was few days behind the international calendar, this revolution that took place